gradually increased on the wire at another end side. First, we have to find out so what is the behavior of wire under gradually increasing load. Here define different points on the wire increasing load. So what are the points? P, E, Y, P, B like that. Okay? On a graph. First here a graph is plotted between the stress in the wire and strain in the wire. So graph is plotted between the stress and strain. So stress values are taken on y-axis. So stress means force per unit area. Next, strain values are taken on x-axis. Okay. So what is meant by strain? The change in length of the wire by original length. Okay. So now, so what is the behavior of the graph? First, proportionality limit. So point P is known as proportionality limit. Where up to point P, so when the load increased on the wire, so at this point, the stress is directly proportional to the strain. So stress is directly proportional to strain. So stress is directly proportional to strain means at point P, the wire obeys one type of law. So which law? Hooke's law. Hooke's law means in elastic limit, the stress is directly proportional to the strain. Okay. Next, after point P, so beyond the point P, here the load increased at the wire up to point E. So when the load removed from the wire between any point from O to E, so at that point the wire regains its original position, original state. So when the wire regains its original state at a point, so that point is known as elastic limit. Okay, na? So point E is known as elastic limit. Second, elastic limit. Okay. Next, after point A, so we are at the point capital A. Now the load is gradually increased on the wire. So at point Y, so when the load is removed from the wire, so it does not obeys Hooke's law. Means the stress is does not directly proportional to the strain. Okay, so it does not get its original state. So point Y is called ending point. Third one is end point. Y. The value is shown on the x-axis with the dotted line, so that is O dash.